The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been generating significant buzz ever since rumors emerged about the possibility of the phone featuring a flat display. While this might initially seem like a step down, it's important to note that flatter displays are generally favored by many due to their advantages. They tend to eliminate issues like ghost touch problems and color distortion at the edges. Moreover, they offer enhanced durability and better compatibility with screen protectors. Although not confirmed, a recently surfaced render by Ice Universe provides a glimpse of how Samsung's flagship could potentially appear. It's crucial to bear in mind that this is a preliminary representation, as more accurate renders are likely to emerge closer to the release date, which is expected to be later this year. This render suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might indeed feature a flat display, a design choice that I find appealing. In my opinion, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's aesthetic greatly benefits from a flat screen. The screen's borders appear more balanced, and there's an overall enhancement in the device's appearance and finish. It's worth noting that this depiction is an early draft, and the final design has yet to be confirmed. However, if Samsung adopts this direction, I'm definitely inclined to acquire the phone upon its launch next year. What's particularly intriguing is the departure from Samsung's long-standing use of curved displays, a signature element even in their base Galaxy S models. The shift towards a flat display is quite surprising. While we'll likely gain more insights into the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the upcoming months, the device certainly appears appealing with its flat screen. Notably, a recent tip suggested that this new phone might boast the most minimal screen-to-body ratio yet. This indicates that Samsung might be making adjustments to the phone's overall dimensions, potentially enhancing its ergonomics and usability.
If you found this update helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts on this topic in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next